Hey everybody, Joe Malish here for MAHLE Motorsport here at the 2021 SEMA show. We got some new pistons we want you to take a look at. We're going to start right here with this top Alcohol Hemi. It's a 17.6 cc dome, 12.6 to 1 compression, made out of 2618 alloy for high horsepower applications. Coming with the whole power pack, it's got the ring set, the pins, and the retaining buttons. This is really unique for 2022 as a shelf stock option for drag racers out there that want to purchase this. We also have a Hemi 5.7 dome. It's a 10.2 cc dome offered in 2618 material. It has a 112 ring pack, an anodized top ring groove, Grafal skirt coating on the side. The Grafal skirt coating really helps with the cushioning of any contact between the skirt of the piston in the center and any contact with the cylinder wall. Next up, we got the Ford EcoBoost 2.3 liter. It's a 7.cc dish. It's made out of 4032 alloy. This is new. We have a 2618 alloy for high horsepower applications. The 4032 is for a little bit lower horsepower applications, runs a little bit quieter, but it also can handle boost. It's got anodized top ring grooves. The gray appearance that you see is with phosphate. The phosphate helps with initial startup and also protects the pin bore on any potential pin galling that might occur, and micro welding in the top ring groove. And that's common on all of our pistons that you see with that gray appearance. Next up here is the VW TSI Gen 3. It's a new piston for the 2015 to 2018 editions. It also is made out of 2618 alloy, has an anodized top ring groove, so we want to protect that ring groove for any high boost applications or anything that might occur with that where people are putting a lot of power to it. Grafal skirt coating on the side, and a Motorsport designed ring pack. Last up that we have up here is the LS3 Flat-Top, Trans Am TA2, your classic flat top, very small valve pockets right here for it, and a classic flat top that you see again with our Grafal skirt coating. I want to add one thing here is that you see the gas ports there, just lending to better seal on that top ring groove. And this comes with a 112 ring pack. You can also order these in incremental bore sizes if you're looking to get that in some different sizes that are potentially available out there for your build. And really just to finish up here, if you want more information about any of our applications, go to www.mahlemotorsports.com.